What's up, guys? This is Sean Burnetter, the Sales Manager at Hydra Unlimited. We're here to give you a tour at our headquarters in Byron Center, Michigan, show you what we're capable of as a partner in commercial cultivation. So here we are again in our molding area where we're running 15 molding machines 24/7, 365. We've had the pleasure of sending out 1 billion parts from these machines, and we can control with all the molds from building it all the way to design to molding it a quality product and shipping it out so you have a great experience. With over 44 years of fluid handling experience, we've clearly figured it out on the production side. After we introduced lean, we were able to do it at a clean and effective scale, which also applies to our commercial operations. So here we are in our shipping and receiving bay where we have 8 doors constantly getting loaded. We're shipping globally every day. Now let's head back into our Motor City conference room where we can dive deep into the commercial capabilities that we can offer. So what does it look like to work with us on a commercial operation together? We have a very thorough process, but it always starts with getting to know the person that we're in touch with. In getting to know you, I want to understand you and your team's needs, what your goals are, what your facility looks like, how you would like to manage that workflow. This is not just helping you grow a plant in water. This is, from start to finish. We're working in the design. We're working with the MEPs to make sure all the plumbing, all the electrical is where it needs to be. We're making sure that your system is up and running with installation, with debug, and once that's all done, we're standing on the sideline watching you do your work that you do best, but making sure that it's done the most efficiently as it can be. We're all about partnerships, and that's why we've been in the business for 44 years, is that we rely on partnerships to continue growing together. And part of that is designing something that works for you. So one example that we have is a literally triangle building that they wanted as much light coverage and as much plants as they can get in there. So obviously if our buckets are square and our systems are square, we have to do a little management of what those systems look like in order to achieve their goals within reason that makes sense for a deep water culture facility. We see a lot of people that are operating commercially now that started off small, and that's been some of my favorite partnerships. I like to compare starting small and growing larger to test driving a car. You got to kind of test drive it and make sure that you understand it. It's kind of the same way with a small system. If you're looking to get a very large system in a very large building, but you're not sure, you can always just get a smaller system. And that's a great way to really test drive the system and make sure that this is the way you want to grow. And going into that, if you love it, which we know you will, you can take that to the next level. I think the nice thing of working with us is that you have the ability to pick and choose what support you need or what you want. And that could be, from design. If you got somebody else doing it, we're okay with that. Provide you the CAD models or the blueprint. If you don't want installation, we're okay with that too. We'll be on staff ready to help you if you run into any issue. That system validation, if you got install down, you got validation down. You kind of select what you want based on your capabilities, and we'll be right there with you as a partner the entire time. If you're interested in learning more about our commercial partnerships, head to our website at hydraunlimited.com, fill out that contact form, and that'll be sent to our entire team. We'll begin the conversation, we'll discuss what matters for you, and we'll get to work. Thanks for watching.